Jasmine loves game. Jasmine likes many things. She likes dresses and bed. She likes daisies and vines. But most of all, she loves jam. When she jam from the door. That's Dad bought for her. Okay, just kidding. He brought his jeep to shop for it. Mother. All because they both love her. I'm happy. Just kidding. I'm happy. My huling isda ay nahuli sa hukay.
What?
Hukay. Ang hukay ay may tubig. Masaya ang hari sa ang nahuling isda.
Very good.
What letter is that? Yan na, mga assignments ng iyong poly. Nakagawa na kami.
What are you eating, Sayden? What's that? Banana cue? No, that's not banana cue. Turon.
Ano yung lunch ng
Gandahan mo naman sulat mo. Pero very good. Hindi nalilimutan.
G. Over here.
Oh, dito lo. Lapit-lapit. Yung space mo.
What?
Down.
Where's the fish?
Yan.
Where's the fish?
Ano, kanino kayo susumbong?
Kay Casper.
Hindi sa mami mo. Di ba dapat ang tawagin ko si mami mo?
Si Casper ni Mami.
Mami niya o mami mo?
Mami ni Casper.
Bakit?
I'm gonna count 1, 2, up to infinity.
ka naman inaano ni Casper. Hindi ka niya inaano, be. Oo.
Nasumbong.
Hindi nga siya nagsusumbong. Hindi ka niya sinusumbong. O, kalma ka. Sabi mo, hands on your chest. Hands on your chest.
Go outside and go to the office.
Eating?
Nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
Okay. Wait.
Thank you.
Wait a minute.
Car, it looks nice. Ha?
Oh,
Malamig ang ano eh.
Sabi ni Zayden, I like it.
Yung tint na yan, panigurado.
I like it.
Zayden, you like your new car? Ha? Lalo na ako di makakapag-drive. Manual eh.
Lalo na nga. Pero mas maganda sa FD, bilang tayo, anong pinag-
Oo.
Di ba natin
Maganda. Ayos eh.
Gawa,